Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I'm out here in the garage. Got a nice fire going. It's nice and toasty. And I'm thinking about all the things I heard today with the Canadian border shut down. I'm in automotive. I don't know what that entails with me. I did get some boards, but I got rained out. I'm gonna make hoop house and make some garden beds. That's as deep as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna clear that out here in a little bit, or wait till tomorrow. I've got a half day. So it's gonna get crazy. We have a double Jeopardy. We got a double problem. I've gone through a few stock markets while I've been invested. 3. So we were due for a stock crash anyway, and then we get the corona problem. So it's a double Jeopardy. So I don't know. We're over in the stock market, if you want to call it points. That's 900,000 points we're down. All right, if you want to put it that way. And with the Canadian border closed, they better fly our products up there to keep the automotive running. We have a few plants up there, I do believe, we're supplying cables to. So I'm concerned. I didn't get to talk to the plant manager lately. He don't talk to me. He doesn't. I think he's aware of all the knowledge that I have, but he's got bigger and better fish to fry. I don't know. So yeah, I'm concerned with things. I don't want to be laid off. I got to make that money. I got to get that homestead. So the last stock market crash, 4.25 months for it to hit rock bottom. So I was heavily invested at the time. What I did is I was working second shift, and I'd get home from work and I would study the market. 2 years solid. I had absolutely cut off everybody and everything from my life to learn the stock market. I had to know how it ran. I did the mutual funds in Germany and on through, but and I went overseas before I could pull the money out. So, and I had to watch it crash, and I had to pay attention to everything, and I studied everything ever since. So yes, 2 years full-time job, and after hours, I got home to study the market, and I only got 4 hours of sleep for pretty much those 2 years. I get caught up on the weekends. So with the double Jeopardy, I'm very, very, very concerned. So I had to back up with the military, but I'm retired. So, and in my contract says retired indefinitely. They're not going to call me back up for this. I'm quite sure of it. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So yeah, I would come home from work and I would jump into the stock market to see what I missed. And mind you, I got 4 hours to study and 4 hours of sleep. So I study, and I watch the Asian market wake up and what they were going to do and how they played, and then how Europe started, of course, from on over. And then I would go to bed, I'd get up. I would try to get up at 9 o'clock so I could see what happened while I was sleeping. What did I miss with the Europe market? And then I would continue to see what's going on until the market opened at 10. And then I would study everything that I could till I had to be at work at 2:30. So I'd try to be at work try to get out of the house at 1:30. That's how I used to play the stock market game. So, and I got about 2 years into it full time until I got shipped overseas. You want to see something cool? Now that we're on that topic, you see that? Uh-oh, something's wrong here.